A very warm greetings to everybody present here. I, Shivani Gulati, Assistant Professor, MGN College of Education, Jalandhar, is hereby presenting my paper on employee engagement as an essential for performance of teachers. Dynamic workplace environments require employee work engagement. In today's competitive framework of workplace environment, employees may reach their cognitive and motivational limits, and this may strain employees' attentiveness and engagement. This paper reviews research studies on employee engagement and performance links. In words of Kahn, personal engagement is the harnessing of organization members' selves to their work roles. In engagement, people employ and express themselves physically, cognitively, and emotionally during role performances. In terms of Schuck and Waller, employee engagement is cognitive, emotional, and behavioral state directed toward desired organizational outcomes. Christian has defined work engagement as a relatively enduring state of mind referring to the simultaneous investment of personal energies in the experience or performance of work. Next we come to job performance. Job performance is referred as the end result of application of efforts by an individual employee. It refers to whether an individual performs well in his job or not. Low level of performance results in non-achievement of organizational goals and is regarded as a personal failure. On the contrary, carrying out jobs by performing at a high level is a source of satisfaction to an individual. Achievement of targets for the organization and production for the nation ultimately gives feelings of mastery and self-importance. Performance is a very important issue for individual, organization, and nation as well. Job performance is widely used in the areas of human resources, management, industrial, and organizational psychology. Job performance is explained as the level of success achieved by an individual as a result of his efforts. In terms of Boardman and Montevillo, 1993, they gave up a multidimensional concept of performance as task performance and contextual performance. Task performance consists of activities that transform materials into goods and services produced by the organization to allow for efficient functioning. It covers the fulfillment of the requirements that are a part of contract between the employer and the employees. However, contextual performance does not directly contribute to organizational performance but supports the organizational, social, and psychological environment. It indirectly contributes to an organization's performance by facilitating task performance. It includes activities like voluntary activities beyond a person's formal job requirements, persistence of enthusiasm and application, assistance to the other persons at workplace, following and the rules and the prescribed procedures given by the organization, and openly defending organizational objectives. If we come next to teachers' job performance, according to Obliade, 1999, he stated that teachers' job performance can be described as the duties performed by a teacher at a particular period in a school system in achieving organizational goals. And in 1995, he says that it could be described as the ability of teachers to combine relevant inputs for the enhancement of teaching and learning process. Many factors contribute to teachers' performance. A good teacher has not only to teach in a way that she can satisfy the class with her prominent teaching style, but also to manage time and other duties assigned to her apart from teaching, like managing ethics and discipline in class, motivating students, ensuring students' interaction, and maintaining a proper link with the parents of the students and administration of educational institution. Next, if we come to the relationship between the employee engagement and job performance, Rodman and Storm, in their article, Burnout and Engagement, a South African Perspective on South African Police Officers, they found that engaged police officers are problem-focused, taking active steps to attempt to remove or rearrange stressors. Sontag found that engagement influences in-role behavior, proactive behavior, and also organizational citizenship behavior. This shows that employees who are engaged will have a broader perspective of their role and will reach to a broader set of activities in their jobs. Baker et al. On their study on 105 school principals and 232 teachers, they found significant and positive associations between school principals' work engagement scores and teacher ratings of school principals' performance and leadership. Sachs Allen, in his paper, Antecedents and Consequences of Employee Engagement, found that highly engaged employees make a substantive contribution to their agency and may predict organizational success. Becker, in 2008, in his article, Work Engagement, an Emerging Concept in Occupational Health Psychology, found that engaged employees experience positive emotions, which include happiness, joy, and enthusiasm. They experience better psychological and physical health. They create their own job and personal resources and finally transfer their engagement to others. Bergman and Seigarth found that the teachers in higher education sector should be fully engaged so that the quality teaching can be imparted to the students. Thus, engagement of teachers is an important consideration for all the higher educational institutions. Gupta, Acharya and Gupta, they did their study on 261 academics elected from different Indian universities who were asked to rate themselves on the support, autonomy and engagement scales. They found a significant mediating role of work engagement between job resources and performance. Kilonzo et al. They did their study on 359 school teachers working in Machakos country and found that employee engagement had statistically significant influence on performance of teachers. School management should involve the teachers in decision making for their active engagement so that they can own up the policies to boost the performance of teachers. Hence, work culture of today in educational institutions requires active engagement of teachers which affects their performance. To conclude, I would like to say that attracting and retaining high quality teacher is thus a primary requirement for educational institution. For the development of quality teachers, one has to understand the level of the teacher's engagement at work. Organizations today should actively look forward to fulfill teachers' expectations and thus create an impact on the performance of employee, which directly affects the organization's performance. To accomplish goals, the institutions must move beyond employee motivation strategies and towards increasing the levels of employee engagement. Having engaged faculties has become crucial in a time where institutions look to the employees to take initiative, bring the creativity, and be proactive with solutions to current teaching methodology. Hence, employee engagement plays an important role in the job performance of teachers. Thank you.